Traveling to forest is thrilling, exciting, adventurous. But how many of us know that there are certain forests in Indian terrains which are still virgin and a lifetime experience by visiting those forests? Today I am going to tell you about such a forest situated at Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh. Satpura is derived from Sanskrit, where Sat means seven and Pura means mountains. It is believed that Lord Rama spent 11 years of his exile in the Satpura hills. The Satpura range, whose name translates to seven folds in Sanskrit, is a geological marvel that predates human history by millions of years. Older than the Himalayas, these hills stretch across central India, running parallel to the Vindhya ranges in the north, and form a natural barrier between the northern plains and the Deccan Plateau. This rugged terrain, dotted with numerous caves, waterfalls, pristine rivers, meadows, and thick forests, is home to a large diversity of flora and fauna. The Satpura mountain range acts as a bridge and genetic corridor between the western Ghats and the Himalayas. Since two major geographical boundaries end in this area, several unique species like the Malabar giant squirrel, partially albino gaur and Malabar whistling thrush are found in this area. This reserve harbors a total of 26 species indigenous to the Himalayan region, as well as 42 species endemic to the Nilgiri region, acting as a bridge between these diverse topographic habitats. It is the only region where there is an overlap in habitat between the grey jungle fowl, which resides in the south, and the red jungle fowl, found in the northern reaches of India. This varied terrain is home to over 50 species of mammals, 300 species of birds, 30 species of reptiles, and 56 species of butterflies, making Satpura a biodiversity hotspot. While tigers have been successfully repopulated in the area, a large number of leopards, sloth bears, wild dogs, and barsingha are also found in the region. The Satpura Tiger Reserve is also home to various indigenous tribes like the Gond, Korku, and Bharia communities, whose ancestors may have created some of the ancient rock paintings. These tribes have lived in harmony with the forest for generations, their lives deeply intertwined with its rhythms and cycles. They possess an intimate knowledge of the land, its flora and fauna, and its hidden treasures. Now the most important questions: that who should visit Satpura Tiger Reserve? Anybody could visit this beautiful natural forest, but it is preferable for those who has got genuine passion, love towards nature, its flora and fauna, who are mentally and physically fit and is not scared about the wilderness of a biodiverse forest, as the forest can be truly enjoyable if you proceed for night safaris and walking forest safaris. Those who love photographies, as it is a photographer's paradise. Those who enjoy the music of pure tranquility, serenity, respectful towards the wild exotic creatures as it their home and we all are guests. And lastly, those who strictly follow the guide's instruction, as they are the Bible of any forest. Please avoid smoking, strong perfume or cosmetics. Keep an odorless mosquito, insect repellent, and a powerful torch light while proceeding for night safari. Please also avoid using flash during photography at low light. Use full sleeve dress if possible. Use camouflaging forest design dress.